If you're wondering how to get to the accessibility menu on your Samsung TV, this is a Samsung 7 Series 65-inch on the New Star remote control. All we have to do is hold in the volume button. So what I'm going to do now is not just tap it, because tap it will put it from mute to speaker and back to mute again. But if I hold it in, it will bring up the accessibility menu.
Accessibility shortcut.
And there you go. For example, if you want to turn on the voice guide, you can just hit this middle button here and then it will turn voice guide on. And now if I was to close that, then every time I move around, I'll get a voice guide. Like so. If you want to turn that off, again, just hold down the volume button. And I'm going to hit the middle button on voice guide and that will turn it off. Go to close, and now it's turned off. So that's it. It's a nice simple way to turn on and off the voice guide or get access to the accessibility menu. Thanks for watching.